Hi there! If you've decided to delete your LEGO account, then follow this simple step-by-step guide for a hassle-free process. First things first, log in and locate the account button next to the LEGO minifigure head. Once you've clicked on it, navigate to the Personal and Others Details option, then proceed to Account Details, and from there, click on Security, and at the bottom of the page, you will find the Delete Account button. So before taking the final step, consider that once you delete your account, everything linked to it will be permanently erased. This includes LEGO Insider points, the ability to view your orders online, and any submissions you've made to LEGO Ideas. Now, if you're really certain about deleting your account, then go ahead and click Yes, Delete It to confirm. Now remember, you can still change your mind at this point and cancel it if you have second thoughts. Just take a moment to be sure before proceeding. And that's it. If you follow the steps and decided to delete your LEGO account, you're all set. Just remember that if you ever decide to come back, then you might need to create a new account. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.